In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photos on Squarespace, whether you're updating your portfolio, refreshing your homepage, or customizing product images. Squarespace makes it super simple to replace images on your website without needing any design experience. Let's walk through the exact steps to update photos in Squarespace. You can do it in under 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to the Squarespace website. Log in there, click on Profile Picture and go to the dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, select the site you want to update. From there, navigate to your homepage or the page where the image appears. Click the Edit button to enter edit mode, which allows you to change content, layouts, and of course, images on your Squarespace site. Now, find the image you want to change. This could be a gallery image, a banner image, or even a product photo on your eCommerce page. Click directly on the image and an edit option will appear. Next, click Replace. This will prompt you to upload a new image from your computer. If you don't have your own image, no worries. Squarespace provides a stock image library with high-quality visuals you can use for free. Click Browse Stock Images, search by keyword, and select the one that fits your design. Once you choose your image, click Add Image to confirm. Finally, hit the Save button to apply all changes to your live site. And that's it. You've just learned how to change an image in Squarespace. Remember, updating visuals in your website is one of the easiest ways to keep your content looking fresh and modern. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks, and leave a comment if you have questions. Happy editing!